Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amulya's Academy. We are discussing about single linked list and how to implement single linked list in Python, and we created the node class, linked list class, and in that for the single linked list operation we are writing the different methods. So we already wrote a method for traversal operation and we were discussing about insertion method in the previous tutorial. We already wrote a method to add the node in the beginning of the linked list, at the end of the linked list, in between, that is before given node, after the given node. Today we'll discuss one more scenario in the insertion operation. That is, if I want to insert a node when the linked list is completely empty. So we are discussing about this scenario today. You can add or insert the node using these four methods: begin, end, after, before methods. But if you want to write a specific method to add the element when the linked list is empty, then you can do that. So I'll show you how to do that. So now to add the element to the empty linked list, the first step is you need to check linked list is empty or not. If it is empty, then we'll write the code. If it is not empty, we'll just print a message that is it is not empty. Here we want to add the node when the linked list is empty, right? So to add the node, this condition need to be satisfied in this method. Linked list should be empty here. If it is empty, then that means head is pointing to none. So the first step here is create the node. Now the linked list doesn't contain any node, so create a node. We'll get like this. And the second step is you need to point head to the new node. Store the reference of the new node in the head. That's it. To write this method, first you need to check linked list is empty or not. So here we are writing this method to add the node when the linked list is empty. If it is not empty, then I'll just print a message that is linked list is not empty. If it is empty, then create the node and point head to the new node. So let's write the program. So here we already have node class, linked list class. In that println method, add begin, add end, add after, and add before. Next here, let's create insert when empty. So I'll take insert empty. When the linked list is empty, that time insert the node. So self, and here I need to take data, because whenever you create a node, you need data, right? That's why. So here first step is we need to check linked list is empty or not. So to check linked list is empty or not, we need to check head is none or not. So if self dot head is none. If it is none, that means linked list is empty. If it is empty, then here we need to create the new node. So create new node using node class. We are creating the object from the node class, and here you need to pass data. Here we have node class, right? So we are creating node using this class. Then here you need to point head to the new node. Store the reference of the new node in the head like this. That's it. If it is not empty, else part, if linked list is not empty, then just print the message linked list is not empty. So here we wrote this method to insert the node when linked list is empty. If it is not empty, we'll just print this message linked list is not empty. If it is empty, then create the new node and store the reference of the new node in the head. So let's see whether it works properly or not. So we are creating the linked list, that is ll1 from the linked list class. Next here I'll call insert empty, ll1 dot insert empty. Now actually linked list is completely empty, so I'm calling insert empty and I'll insert 10. So it will insert that to linked list, and we are using println method to print the linked list, nodes of the linked list. Here we can see 10 is inserted. Now if I again call this method and I'll pass 20, and if I execute this, it will print this message linked list is not empty, because when I first call this method, it will insert the node. Next here we can see we are again calling this method. Now linked list is not empty because it contains node 10, right? So it will print this message linked list is not empty. Alright, in this way you can insert a node to the empty linked list. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.